My name is Keely Cooley, and I am Acadiana High's new teacher of the year. By giving them a lot of physical, hands-on lab work, they're connecting in a way they don't get to in other classes, waking up their little brains that are sitting in a chair for 8 hours, and giving them a chance to see and handle and come to their own conclusions and ask their own questions about how biology works. And we relate that to our ecosystem and what's important to us and how Louisiana culture is centered around an alligator who does more than just looks good on the car decals and as boots. It has a purpose, it has a function, and not all of them know that, and it's important that they do understand it. To be the new teacher of the year at Acadiana, to me, means that I had a lot of support in getting here. My surrounding teachers did a lot to support me. They showed me how to use all the new softwares and how to best utilize my time and manage my classroom, even how to organize my desk. Like, everything that I am is because somebody else supported me on the way up.